Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the online portal of chemistry of Sri Mahavir International School, Jaipur. Myself, Rakesh Yadav, PGT Chemistry. Today we are going to start a new topic of class 12th, which is known as electrochemistry. Children, this topic contains 4 marks of your board examination and a very important part of your examination. Let's go to the topic. First of all, the definition of electrochemistry should be learned. The definition of electrochemistry is what is the definition of electrochemistry? The branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of conversion of electrical energy to chemical energy or chemical energy to electrical energy is known as electrochemistry. Okay, so first we have to learn the definition of the electrochemistry. So the electrochemistry is the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of conversion of electricity to chemical energy or chemical energy to electrical energy is known as electrochemistry. Children, in this topic we learn about the conductivity. So on the basis of conductivity of electricity substance are characterized into 3 categories which are known as conductor. Second one is known as insulator, and third one is known as semiconductor. Children, in the solid state part we have studied about the definition of conductor, insulator and semiconductor. Conductors are those substances which conduct electricity are known as conductor. Examples of the conductor substance are all metals, alloys. Okay, instead of metals, alloys, electrolytes. Insulator definition is the substance which does not conduct electricity are known as insulator, like wood, rubber, etc. Semiconductors are those substances which conduct electricity at high temperature, but at normal temperature they behave as insulators. Examples of the insulators are germanium and silicons. Now, on the basis of conductivity we are going to study about the electrochemistry. So on the basis of conductivity, substance are divided into 2 classes. First one are known as electronic conductors. First of all, the definition of the electronic conductor is those substances those substance which conduct electricity through free electrons are known as electronic conductors. Okay, the definition of electronic conductor is those substance which conduct electricity through free electrons are known as electronic conductors. Examples of electronic conductors are all metals like silver, gold, iron, etc. First example is, and the second one is alloys. Okay, alloys are the examples of electronic conductors. The second important point of electronic conductors are these substance are also known as metallic conductors. Okay, the second point of the second name of the electronic conductors are also known as metallic conductor. You can see the examples of the electronic conductors. Okay, now the third point of the electronic conductor is these substance during reaction does not change. Okay, so these substance does not change during the reaction. Next point, the conductance of electricity due to free electrons. Next point of the electronic conductor, there is no chemical change of substance during reaction. Okay, so these are the important points of electronic conductors. Now the important question arises to this topic. Question, what is the question? Question is what is the effect of temperature to electronic conductors. Okay, if temperature rises to these substance, what is the effect of conductance? Let's see the answer of the question. Suppose this is a rod of any metal. There are atoms arranged in a sequence form. If temperature rises, some atom disturb to their position. Suppose this atom move to this position, then the electron moving from left to right cannot cross to another pole of the electrode or the rod. So we can say that when temperature increases to the metallic rod, few atoms disturb to their position or vibrate to their position here and there. Therefore resistance of the metal or rod increases. When resistance increases, so the conductance of the metal decreases. So we have to learn that the temperature is inversely proportional to the conductance. When temperature rises, conductance of the electricity of metallic electrode is decreases. This is the important question arises to the topic electronic conductors.